So hi guys, welcome back to my PHP tutorial, and today in this lesson I would like to talk to you about more details about integer and float. So which means that right now we are going to do the round off for integer and as well to make the decimal points like for the float, and as well the calculations. So this thing today in this lesson you are going to learn all these things. So let's get started. So the first off, which is the integer, I declare as a, okay, then I have my variable inside which is float, okay, 1.5. then I round off the variable. I want to make it integer, so which means that I should round off the numbers, only I can get the whole numbers. So let's get into my URL. Okay, here is your output, which means that just now we declare is 1.5, right? So right now you are getting 2 because you round off, because 5 round off into become 2. Okay, 1.5 round off become 2. Okay, so what about float? If float, we don't want to make it whole number, but instead of making it into whole number, right, we want to make it into the 2 decimal points or 3 decimal points or 4 decimal points, which means that we just round off the decimal points instead of just making it whole numbers. So might as well we are going to use round function as well. So we declare as b, then we declare 1 point maybe 5, 6, 7, 8, then echo out round. Okay, get your bnet variable into the round parameters, then we put a column, then we declare, which means we want 2, which means that we only want 2 decimal points. Okay, so let's try and see. Okay, save it, then we see the output. I think I should comment line this one first, only I can see the output nicely. So let's see the outputs. So we have 1.57. just now our number is 1.5678. right now is 1.7, so which means that I only need 2 decimal points. Sometimes, right, we need it for like maybe a number for your currency of the price, or maybe the product of a price, and you should set it to 2 decimal points only. So you can use this to set them. Okay, so the next one, the third one, which is the addition. So how are you going to do addition? Okay, so we echo, we just declare a new one, which is Zach. Okay, I comment line this one. Then later we are going to reuse for subtraction and all this. Zach, then we put 6. Okay, then y we put 3. Okay, so the addition, put echo the Zach variable plus the y variable. So this is addition. Maybe if you did some programming before, then you are familiar with it, so you can just skip this tutorial actually. Then you'll get 9. 6 plus 3, which is 9. Then what about the subtraction? Echo Zach minus the variable y, then you will get 3, right? Sorry, I comment line this one first. So you get 3. Yeah, you will get 3. Okay, what about I want to do multiply? Okay, multiply echo Zach times, which the star which is represent is multiply. Okay, then we call our y variable, save, then we get 18. 6 times 3, which is 18. Okay, then comment line this out. Then I put the Zach slash, which is division, then we slash y, then see what we get. Then we get 2, which means that 6 divided by 3, which is 2. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to more videos of this tutorial, PHP tutorial, or maybe I have other projects of tutorials. And don't forget to go check out my Patreon page, and maybe I'll upload more new projects to Patreon page. So stay tuned for it. Don't forget to subscribe again. Thank you once again. Bye bye.